Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to talk about the derivative of natural logarithm, and then we will solve the following examples. Okay, let's start.
Now, let's take the function f of x equals to ln x. What's the derivative of ln x? The only rule that is required from you to know is that the derivative of ln u, it's equals to u prime over u. This is the only rule. Okay, now, in this case, we are going to say that the value of u, it's equals to x. Then, what's u prime? U prime is the derivative of x, which is 1. Now, after finding the value of u prime, we can say that the derivative of ln x is 1 over x. Now, let's move to another example. Let's take now the function g of x, which is equals to ln of 5x. Okay, what's the derivative of ln of 5x? As we did before, we are going to state that the value of u is equals to 5x. Now, what would be the derivative? The derivative is 5. Okay, now the g prime of x has the form of u prime over u, which is 5 over 5x. Okay, now you will see that it's also going to be equals to 1 over x. Okay, now let's move to another function h of x, which is equals to ln of x squared. Okay, now, what's the derivative of ln x squared? As we did here, we are going to state or to find the value of u, which is x squared, and then the value of u prime. U prime is the derivative of x squared, and you know that the derivative of x squared is 2x. Now, the derivative of the whole function, it's equals to u prime over u. Okay, now as you will see here, we can cross the x and we're left with 2 over x, and this is the derivative of ln x squared. Okay, here is the first way of solving or of finding the derivative of ln x squared. Now, how can we solve this one in another way? How can we find the derivative of ln x squared? All of you know that the ln x squared can be written as 2 ln of x. Okay, now instead of finding the derivative of ln x squared, now I'm gonna find the derivative of 2 ln x. So it's 2 ln x. So h prime of x is, we are going to keep 2, and then the derivative of ln x, it's 1 over x. So 2 times 1 over x, it's 2 over x, and here is the answer in the second way. Hopefully this video was beneficial for you. Okay, if you have any question, you can write in the comment, or if you want me to explain any idea, also you can ask me in the comments. Bye bye.